Now let us start next topic, that is resultant or net force. Our next topic is resultant force. We also call it as or net force. What is this resultant force? What do we mean by this term resultant force? Resultant force is a single force which is equal to the sum of all the forces acting on a body. ये एक ऐसा सिंगल फोर्स है जो किसके बराबर है, बाकी जितने भी फोर्सेस बॉडी पे एक्ट कर रहे हैं उन सब की जगह पे एक फोर्स की जैसे ये एक्ट करता है. So we can say that here resultant force is defined as a single force which is obtained by combining a set of forces acting on a body. Once again, resultant force is defined as single force, एक वैसा single force which is obtained, जो कैसे हमें मिलेगा, by combining a set of forces. Set of forces means जितने भी सारे forces act कर रहे हैं उन सबको combine करने से, जितने सारे forces body में act कर रहे हैं उन सबको combine करने से जो एक single force मिलेगा, that single force is defined as or termed as resultant force. Or the another definition of resultant force is in terms of acceleration. So resultant force is defined as a single force which produces the same acceleration as produced by set of forces. Or you can say that resultant force is defined as a single force which produces the same acceleration as produced by a set of forces acting on a body. वो सिंगल फोर्स जो उतना ही एक्सीलरेशन प्रोड्यूस करता है जितना कि बाकी सारे फोर्सेस मिलकर के एक्सीलरेशन प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, that force is also known as, that single force is known as resultant force. For example, see here, suppose let us understand this the resultant force with the help of cases. That will be very easy. अब इस रिजल्टेंट फोर्स को केसेस से समझते हैं. Suppose a body is lying on a horizontal surface. This is body and this body is lying. ये body है, एक body एक horizontal surface पे lie कर रहा है. Now this is your case 1. Suppose two forces of different magnitude or same magnitude are acting along the same direction. What I said, if two forces of different magnitude are acting along the same direction, then what will be its resultant force? Suppose there is one force acting F1 and another force F2. These two forces are acting in the same direction. The direction is towards right. Then what will be the resultant force? What will be that single force of these two forces? We have already learned that resultant force is the single force for the set of forces. So see here, if two forces are acting along the same direction, then its resultant force, or we can write it as Fr. We can write it as F. This Fr represents resultant force is equal to the sum of these two forces, F1 plus F2. F1 plus F2. यहाँ हमने arrow sign क्यों दिया? Because we all know that force is a vector quantity. So this resultant force is the sum of two forces. When it will be the sum of two forces? If the two forces will act in the same direction. This is your case 1. And the direction is towards right direction. Now case 2. If